Today we are going to discuss based on previous cases numerical problems. So very first problem, a current of 2 ampere is flowing through a circular coil of radius 10 centimeter containing 100 tons. Find the magnetic flux density at the center of the coil. Magnetic flux density, also magnetic induction, magnetic field, also magnetic induction. So here given data, given that, so I is equal to 2 ampere and radius is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and capital N is equal to 100 tons, and mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 Henry per meter, or Newton per ampere square. So here this question, the magnetic flux density at the center of n tons coil is given by B is equal to mu naught n into I divided by 2 r already we know. So here the mu naught nothing but 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into n nothing but 1000, I nothing but 2 divided by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So this one get cancelled, 1 0 get cancelled, here the plus 2. So here the 4 pi into 10 to the power of here also plus 1. So 10 to the power of minus 7 plus minus 4. Simply this is a Weber per meter square. Simplify, you will get 1.26 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Weber per meter square. This is the answer to the question. Another important model, a thin insulated wire from a spiral of N is equal to capital N is equal to 100 tons carrying a current of I is equal to 8 milliampere. The inner and outer radii are equal to the inner radius 5 cm, outer radius 10 cm. Find the magnetic field or magnetic induction at the center of the coil. So here the given data, solution, given data, given that I is equal to 8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 ampere. So here mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 Henry per meter, and here inner radius 5 centimeter is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 10 minus 2 meter to meter. B is equal to 10 centimeter, nothing but 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter, and here the N is equal to the given 100 tons. Number of tons is equal to N into dx. Here the small elemental circular coil, so that when here the N is equal to capital N divided by dx, nothing but changing the radii, so B minus A. So this is the given data. The magnetic field or magnetic induction at the center of the coil is given by small elemental coil produced magnetic induction or magnetic field is equal to dB is equal to mu naught n into dx into I divided by 2x. Here the net magnetic induction or magnetic field B is equal to integral dB is equal to integral of mu naught n into dx into I divided by 2x. Here variable lower radius inner radius a, outer radius b, limits a to b. So here that b is equal to mu naught n and I also constant, these two also constant. You may write out of the integral divided by 2 integral a to b dx by x. Integral of dx by x nothing but log x. So that b is equal to mu naught n into I divided by 2 into log of x, lower limit, higher limit. So log a by upper limit minus lower limit, that b is equal to mu naught ni divided by 2 into log of b minus log of in log of a. So log a minus log b is equal to log a by b, but here log b minus log a, that's why log b by a, that b is equal to mu naught ni divided by 2 into log of b by a. So here the small n value we don't know. Small n is equal to number of turns per the changing radii, that b is equal to mu naught capital N into I divided by 2 into b minus a into log of b by a. So this basic formula. So given data you may substitute here, you will get the final expression. So here you may substitute here. You may substitute here that b is equal to mu naught n into I divided by 2 of b minus a into log of b by a. So here 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 100 into 8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into log of 10 by log of log of 10 by 5. So divided by 2 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. You may simplify, you will get approximately 6.96 into 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. This is the answer to the question. Another important model, 3 rings. Here they given 3 rings, each having equal radii capital R, are placed mutually perpendicular to each other and each having its center at the origin of the coordinate system. If center I is flowing through each ring, then find the magnitude of the magnetic induction or magnetic field at the common center. At the common center, everybody see the diagram. So this is a one ring, and this is along the x-axis, this is along the y-axis, this is along the z-axis. 3 rings. So here the common center, here the common center. So solution. So here the first point, BD2, the ring laying in xy plane is mu naught I divided by 2r. So along the xy plane, along the z-axis. Now second point, BD2, the ring laying in xz plane is mu naught I by 2r along y-axis. And third point, BD2, the ring laying in xyxz completed and yz plane, then is mu naught by 2r along mu naught by 2 by along x-axis. So what they asking, magnitude of. So magnitude B net is equal to under root of bx square plus by square plus bz square. This value substitute here under root of mu naught I divided by 2r whole square plus mu naught I divided by 2r whole square plus mu naught I divided by 2r whole square. This is a, so here you may take out common mu naught I, you may take out common, so here you may take out common mu naught I divided by 2r whole square into remaining 1 plus 1 under root, under, you may write simply like this also, no problem, under root. This root and this one square and this root get cancelled, it means final expression, so root 3 mu naught I divided by 2r, so here the B net is equal to root 3 mu naught I divided by 2r. Now this is the answer to the question. Another important model, a charge Q Coulomb moves in a circle at n revolution per second, at the radius of the circle is r meter, then magnetic field at the center of the coil is. Already we know magnetic induction at the, or magnetic induction or magnetic field at the center of the coil is given by, so B is equal to mu naught into, if one loop you may write I divided by 2r. Here the multiply and divided by 2 pi, so no answer changing, answer remaining same, so that's why here the mu naught by 4 pi, here 2 to 4, here pi 4 pi into 2 pi I by r, mu naught value 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7, so here substitute here, B is equal to mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 2 pi, here according to current statement I is equal to dq by dt, here q n number of revolution there, that's why n into here q by t here per second, that's why no need to write divided by q, n into q divided by r divided by 4 pi, this 4 pi get cancelled, this magnetic induction or magnetic field at center of the coil is equal to remaining value 10 to the power of minus 7 into 2 pi nq divided by r. It means B is equal to 2 pi nq divided by r, 2 pi nq divided by r into 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton per ampere meter. This is the answer to the question. Another important model, an infinitely long straight conductor is bent into the shape as shown in the figure. It carries a current I amperes and the radius of the circular loop is small r meter. Then the magnetic induction at its center will be, this is a current I. This is a current I. This one I am going to remodify this formula, this diagram. This is a straight wire, infinity wire like this. Here the current like this. Now here the circular coil D2, this one here also moving like this. This is the current direction like this. So here the first part, this is the second part. Second part circular coil, first part conductor, straight conductor. Okay now, here we are going to find due to this rod, this conductor, how much magnetic field magnetic induction produced the center of the coil, this is O. So here to here this distance also R, because of the this is the extended this one. Here to here this is a circle, nothing but this one also radius R. Here very first point, so here the very first point, the field O due to straight part of the conductor is B1 is equal to, here straight wire conductor B1 is equal to, everyone we know the formula, mu naught into I divided by here the 2 pi r. Here the multiply and divided by 2, you'll get the mu naught 2I divided by 4 pi r. Similarly, second part, D2 second part, this is the B1. Here you may identify the current whether in inward direction, outward direction. This one is a circular. Here you may put the right, you may use right hand thumb rule. You may put like this. Here this side the inward direction and the center point at O point, my curl finger coming outside. So here simply this conductor rod straight wire. So you may hold like this, and this spot, this area, my curl fingers inward direction, and here this area outward direction. So see the location of point O, whether here this side or this side. This side means magnetic field direction, outward direction. That's why here you may put outward direction like this. So second one, the field O due to circular coil is B2 is equal to circular coil, nothing but mu naught I divided by 2R. Mu naught I divided by, here also small I, divided by 2R. Here the multiply and divided by 2 pi. That should be is equal to, here the mu naught into pi into 2I divided by 4 pi r. Whether this one inward direction or outward direction you may identify. Here the current I moving clockwise direction at center inward direction. See here the curl you may put the right hand thumb, you may use right hand thumb rule, you may put this thumb along the current direction and hold it inward direction, inside the circular loop, your curl finger into the plane of the paper and inward direction, and outside this area coming, your curl finger coming out of the plane of the paper. That's why here the due to the circular ring, inward direction into inward direction. So here the net magnetic field at center, third point, D net at center is equal to your B2 minus B1. Why? Because here inward direction, towards inward direction you may take positive, outward direction you may take negative. So here the inward is equal to here mu naught 2I into pi divided by 4 pi r minus mu naught into 2I divided by 4 pi r. Here you may take out common mu naught 2I by 4 pi r. Finally mu naught 2I by 4 pi r, pi minus 1 you will get. This is the answer to the question. Whenever they are asking this type of question, you may do like this. Another important model, A current I ampere flow in a circular arc. This is a circular arc of wire whose radius is R. This is R, which subtend an angle 3 pi by 2. So here it means this angle. Here to here this angle. Here 3 pi by 2. Here the 3 pi by 2 remaining angle. Here this removed part angle 5 by 2. Radiant at its center, the magnetic induction B at the center. So here already we know the circular magnetic induction due to circular coil. Already we know magnetic induction due to circular arc is equal to B is equal to mu naught I divided by 4 pi r into theta. 4 pi r into theta, or if you may consider the pi also correct. So pi. So already we know this formula. So here pi is nothing but they given 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Simply you may substitute that value. Sometimes they will give this value. They won't give this 3 pi by 2. Here the 5 by 2 nothing but you may identify there. So here the 90 degrees minus nothing but this is the 270 degrees. This 270 nothing but 3 pi by 2. So that value, that time also or another from B is equal to mu naught I divided by 4 pi r into remaining this part is nothing but 2 pi minus pi also. Pi also. Okay now. If you take directly this angle, you may use this formula. If you take this angle, you may use this formula. So clear everybody? So now here that B is equal to mu naught I divided by 4 pi r 2 pi here pi is nothing but 5 by 2. This pi is nothing but this 5 by 2. So simply here I am going to substitute here mu naught I divided by 4 pi r into here pi is nothing but 3 pi by 2. Pi get cancelled. So final value here the 3 by 8 r into mu naught into I. This is the magnetic induction at the center of the circular arc. Whether this formula, this method also going right or wrong, we are going to check it. So R case here B is equal to mu naught I divided by 4 pi r into here 4 pi minus pi divided by 2 again 3 mu naught I divided by 4 pi r into 3 pi by 2. See you will get same expression. Pi get cancelled. Here the B is equal to mu naught I divided by 8 r into 3. So this one also another method. This is the answer to the question. You may follow any one of the rule. Another important model, a helium nucleus makes a full rotation in a circle of radius 0.8 meter. In 2 seconds, the value of the magnetic field B at the center of the coil will be. So solution, magnetic field at center of the coil is equal to, already we know mu naught I divided by 2r. Here I value we don't know. I is equal to charge by time. Time t they given 2 seconds and q nothing but number of electron in number n into e, number of into electron charge. So number of electron into electron charge. Here the helium nothing but 2 electrons is there. That's why 2 into electron charge 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb divided by time 2. This 2 to cancel, that I is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 ampere. So this value substitute here. So mu naught into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 2 into 0.8. This one get cancelled. This is a 0.8. This one get cancelled. That final value mu naught into 10 to the power minus 19 Tesla. This is the answer to the question. Another important model, a solenoid of 1.5 meter length and 4.0 centimeter diameter passes 10 turn per second. 10 turn per second. this point very important. See here, 10 turn per second. A current of 5 ampere is flowing through it. So the magnetic induction at the axis inside the solenoid, they are asking. Solution: inside the solenoid, so magnetic induction is equal to mu naught n I. So I they given 5 ampere, and here n nothing but number of turn per length. So here number of turn 10 per length, nothing but here the per centimeter, nothing but 10 power minus 2 is equal to 1000 turns per meter. 1000 turns per meter. This value substitute here. Mu naught nothing but 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 into n nothing but 1000 into I nothing but 5. So here the 5 is equal to 20 into pi into 10 cube into 10 to the power minus 7. So here the plus, here 20, here this one is nothing but here the plus 4 is equal to 2 pi into 10 to the power minus 3 Tesla. This is the answer to the question. Another important model, the magnetic induction at a point which is distance 4 cm from a long current carrying wire is 10 to the power minus 8 Tesla. The field of induction at a distance 12 cm from the same current would be. So here the solution. So it means here the given data B1 is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 Tesla, and R1 they given 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. R2 they given 12 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and B2 is equal to how much after 12 centimeter plus the wire, how much they asking. Here the B is directly proportional to 1 by R. So B is directly proportional to 1 by R. Here B1 by B2 is equal to R2 by R1. So B were 10 to the power minus 8 divided by B2 is equal to 12 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. This one comes, this is a 3. So here the B2 is cross multiplication 3, here 1 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. It means 0.33 into 10 to the power minus 8 Tesla, or that B2 is equal to 3.33 into 10 to the power minus 9 Tesla. This is a answer to the question. Here another important model. Here see the diagram. The magnetic induction, magnetic induction at the center O in the figure shown is. So here the AB to B to C, C to D, then this is a complete closure like this. This is the A. So here I would like to consider here the 4 points A, B, C, D. Here I would like to consider points in between A, B, first part, in between B, C, second part, C, D, third part, here the fourth part. Here the AB magnetic induction I would like to consider B1, BC this semicircle magnetic induction B2, CD this wire straight wire magnetic induction B3, and D2A here the magnetic induction I would like to consider B4. Here B1 and B3 B1 also is equal to 0 and B3 is equal to 0. Why? Because here the extended this line lies here, the straight line here coincide with were nothing but here the angle between the AB and CD here 0 according to Biot-Savart law. Here angle 0 nothing but magnetic field also 0, because mu naught by 4 pi into, in straight wire mu naught by 4 pi into, according to Biot-Savart law, small elemental wire produced magnetic field dB is equal to mu naught into I into dl r sin theta divided by r cube. Here theta 0 nothing but this value become to 0. In the straight wire in this figure magnetic field become to 0 and a part and first part and third part also 0. Here B1, here the B1 nothing but semicircle. In full circle we know magnetic field at the center point. Here the B is equal to mu naught I divided by 2r. So if radius is r, you may write this one. If semicircle like this is a semicircle. In this one, due to this center, this is a r. So in this case, half of this value nothing but mu naught I divided by 4r. So this is a semicircle. That's why I wrote here the current outlet consider I. Here the current outlet consider I. This is a I current. So here the mu naught I divided by 4 into, here the first B to C nothing but here the radius is a R1. Whether here inward direction or outward direction due to point O. Here the current in clockwise direction inside the, so at O point magnetic field induction direction into the board. So you may write into. Similarly B2 is equal to B2. Now sorry, this is a B2 only. Now this is a B1 and B3 become to 0. Here B2 completed and B4. Next case B4. This one also semicircle. So that's why mu naught I divided by 4 into, here the radius R2. Here the current anti-clockwise direction. So outward direction. Net magnetic induction at point O is B net is equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4. B net is equal to B10 plus mu naught I divided by 4 into R1 inward direction plus 0 plus mu naught I divided by 4 pi R2 outward direction. Outward means minus, inward means plus. That's why net magnetic induction at point O is mu naught I divided by 4 pi R1 minus mu naught I divided by 4 pi R2. You may take out common mu naught I by 4. So mu naught I divided by 4, you may take out common 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is the answer to the question. Whenever they ask in this type of question, you may do like this. Another important model in the figure show the magnetic induction at the center of their arc due to the current in portion AB. Here the current I, here the current I, here the current I. This part only they will ask. So here the in AB this is the O. So due to O they asking, due to center of their nothing but due to O only they asking this portion. This portion magnetic induction what happened. So here the solution. So this AB portion magnetic induction at the center of their arc due to the current in portion AB become to 0 because AB lies on, or here AB lies on O. When extended this part, this is same straight line only. So that's why become to here the 0 become to 0. Magnetic field, magnetic induction or magnetic field at the center of their arc due to the current in portion AB become to 0 because AB when extended AB and this O both are lies on AB when extended. Here the lies on AB when extended. When extended. That's why here the answer magnetic induction should be equal to 0. This is the answer to the question. Here another important model in the figure show there are two semi-circle of radii R1 and R2 which are current I flowing. The magnetic induction at the center O will be. Here the current direction, this is the I current direction, this is the clockwise direction. Whenever they given this type of question, you may identify this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, this point is the D. You may identify in between A and B that magnetic induction value. I would consider B1. This is the B2. Because of this is the, you may consider the first portion, this second portion, this is the third portion, this is the fourth portion. 1 and 3 magnetic induction become to 0 because of the O lines. So here the solution B1 nothing but first part AB portion magnetic induction is equal to 0 and B3 also CD portion magnetic induction value become to 0 because these two are 0 because here the O lies on AB or CD when extended that portion, this is the extended portion. So that's why here the magnetic field B1 and B3 is 0. Now I am going to find B2 portion. B2 portion nothing but this one is the clockwise direction. So you may use right hand thumb rule. This current moving, so C to D direction, C to B direction. That's why here inward direction. Whenever the current moving this clockwise direction, inside the at center point magnetic field direction inward direction. So that's why here the mu naught I divided by 4 into R1, here the inward direction. Similarly B4 is equal to mu naught I divided by 4 pi R2 into here also inward direction. Net magnetic induction is nothing but B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4. This one become to 0, this one become to 0. That's why here the B net is equal to here the mu naught I divided by 4 into R1 plus mu naught I divided by 4 into R2. So B net is equal to mu naught I by 4 take out common 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. You may take out LCM, that B net is equal to mu naught I divided by 4 into R1 plus R2 divided by R1 into R2. Here the direction inward direction. This is the final direction also inward direction. This is the answer to the question. Another important model. A current of 10 ampere is passing through a long wire which has semicircular loop of the radius 20 centimeter. As shown in the figure, magnetic field produced at the center of the loop. So when this is a semicircle only, let us consider this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, this point is D. Here the first portion, second portion, third portion. Here the first portion magnetic field become to 0 and the third portion magnetic field also 0. Second portion magnetic field semicircle. So full circle mu naught I by 2r. So semicircle mu naught I divided by 4r. So here the that B2 is equal to 4 pi into 10 to 4 minus 7 into I nothing but 10 divided by R nothing but 20 into 10 to the power minus 2. This one get cancelled. This is the 2. So here the So plus this is the 2 or and into 4 is there, into 4 is there. This is a 1, this is a 2. So B2 is equal to 1 by 2 pi into 10 to 4 minus 7 plus 2. So nothing but this value nearly, so here the pi divided by 2 into 10 to power minus 5, here multiplied 10 divided by 10, it means here the minus 1, this one nothing but here the minus 1. So here the, so B2 is equal to 10 by 2 pi into 10 to power minus 6, this is a 5. So B2 is equal to 5 pi into 10 to power minus 6 Tesla. That should be is equal to B2 is equal to 5 pi micro Tesla. Micro Tesla. This is the answer to the question, because B1 B2 B1 B2 plus B3. So net magnetic induction at point O nothing but B1 plus B2 plus B3. This one become to 0, this one become to 0. That should be is equal to 5 pi into mu t. This is the answer to the question. That's why I wrote here the directly answer to the question. Another important model, A and B are two concentric circles. This is A and this outside the circle is B. Circuit conductor of center O. This is a center O, and carrying current I1 and I2 are shown in the figure. So inner circle current I anti-clockwise direction, and outer radius outer circle current carrying also anti-clockwise direction, and I2 current. So inner radius R1, outer radius R2. If ratio of their radii is 1:2, R1 by R2 is equal to 1 by 2, and the ratio of the flux density, nothing but magnetic induction over magnetic field at O due to A and B is 1:2. So B1 by B2 is equal to 1 by 3. Then the value of I1 by I2. So here the circle nothing but here solution. Here this one is a circles, inner circle and outer circle. So B1 nothing but inner circle, A circle magnetic induction, here the anti-clockwise direction. So here the outward direction is directly proportional to I1 by R1 only. So similarly this is equation number 1. Similarly B2 is nothing but B is concentric circle. So here the I2 divided by R2. This is the equation number 2. So equation 1 divided by equation number 2. B1 by B2 is equal to I1 by R1 divided by I2 by R2. So that I1 by I2 is equal to, here the we want so from this one, so here the cross multiplication, here the B1 R1 divided by B2 R2 is equal to I1 by I2. I1 by I2. From this one, I1 by I2 is equal to B1 by B2, they given 1 by 3 into R1 by R2 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 6. It means I1 by I2 is equal to 1 by 6. This is the answer to the question. Another important model, the magnetic induction at the center of coil of N turns bend in the form of a square of side 2L carrying a current I. Square solution, let us consider this is a square. Each side outlet consider A. This is the center outlet consider. First I am going to consider, let us consider this A, B, C, D. Outlet consider. First I am going to find magnetic field between AD is outlet consider B1. Here the B, this is a B2, this is a B3, this is a B4. Every side length A. That's why here the magnetic field B is equal to B1 plus B2, B1 is equal to B2 is equal to B3 is equal to B4. That should be equal to net magnetic field should be is equal to 4 times of magnetic field due to any one side. So first I am going to find B. So that B value I am going to find any one of this side. This one is a finite length A. This extended this point O. So due to this one, here the extent nothing but here must be 45 degrees. Here also 45 degrees due to this center. This here the R by A by 2 length. So here the according to application of Biot-Savart law, here the magnetic field B is equal to mu naught into I divided by here the 4 pi R into sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. Here theta 1 also 45, theta 2 also 45. Here the n number of terms is there, that's why multiply into n. So B is equal to mu naught Ni divided by 4 pi R, nothing but here side length, here the half of the side length A by 2 into 2 times of sine of 45 degrees. So this so B is equal to mu naught Ni, here the 2 into I divided by 4 pi A into 2 into 1 by root 2, nothing but this is a root 2, this one is a root 2. So final B is equal to mu naught n 2 root 2 I divided by 4 pi into A. Here A nothing but they given 2L side and here they substitute to, this is the only one side net total magnetic induction at this center should be is nothing but 4 times of this B. So this 4 times of this B, so that's why here this B value substitute here. So what happened, B net is equal to 4 into mu naught n into 2 root 2 into I divided by 4 pi into L nothing but A nothing but 2L. This 4 get cancelled, this 2 get cancelled. Final net magnetic induction should be is equal to root 2 mu naught n into I divided by here the pi into L. This is the answer to the question. Whenever they are asking this type of question, you may do like this. One more important model in the figure, what is the magnetic field at the point O? So here the solution. So first of all, you may identify the here the how many different directions is there. You may identify here the magnetic induction. This wire is already considered B1. Here the B2. Here the B3. So here the B1 magnetic induction should be is equal to 0 because of the, so this line extended to O lies on this wire only. That's why here the magnetic induction value become to 0 because angle 0. So here the angle 90 degrees, this B3 90 degrees. Here according to here the 0 angle, here the 90 degrees. So according to Biot-Savart law application, so mu naught I divided by 4 pi R into sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. Theta 1 value 0, theta 2 value 90 degrees. That's why here the magnetic B3 should be is equal to mu naught into I by 4 pi R, here the radius R into sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. Theta 1 value 0 and theta 2 value here 90. That's why this value become to 1. So B3 is equal to mu naught I divided by 4 pi R. Here the direction. So whenever the current is in this direction, so in current in this direction, here magnetic field here this point is outward direction and here the also outward direction. So here So if they asking direction, you may write direction. If they asking simply here what is the magnetic field at the point O, they asking here B3 is this one. So you may find the B2 also. B2 nothing but semicircle. Semicircle nothing mu naught here the I divided by here the 4R. So net magnetic induction net magnetic induction is equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3. So here the net magnetic induction B1 become to 0 is equal to B2 nothing but mu naught I divided by 4R plus B3 na mu naught I divided by 4 pi R. This is the answer to the question. Whenever they are asking this type of question, you may do like that. It means you may identify current direction and you may identify whether lies on O lies on AB or lies on wire or not. If lies on wire, you may take directly 0. So here you may identify the positions also. Here the 90 degrees. That's why here the B3 exists. So clear everybody? You may, whenever they are asking this type of questions, you may do like this.